Hello beautiful people. In this video we are talk about the 5 best expensive Nikon camera you can buy Amazon. Nikon is one of the most famous camera brands and is a leading innovator in this industry. This company has been around for over 100 years, which means that it knows what it's doing. Nikon cameras are great for people who want to take high-quality photos and videos. Nikon cameras are some of the best in their class. This is a video for those who are looking to buy a Nikon camera but don't know where to start. Buying an expensive Nikon camera is not an easy decision. There are many things that one has to consider before making the purchase. The first thing to think about is which type of camera you need and what features you would like your camera to have. The second thing to think about is what kind of budget you have and how much money you would like to spend on your new Nikon camera. The cost of a Nikon camera will depend on which type of camera you need, the features that are on the camera, and what other Nikon gear you're shooting with. A starting point to figure out how much you should spend on a new Nikon camera is to think about what kind of budget you have and how much money you would like to spend. If you're looking for an entry-level camera, go for a Nikon D3400. This is a great camera that can be found for around $450. If you would like to spend more money on your new expensive Nikon camera, then will range from around $1,500 to $2,500. Here are OnlyBetterOnes. We are a bunch of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze and research and new products and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature and user feedback. So if you are interested in any product, I have linked to each product description below. You can check if you want. If are new to this channel, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any new video. Number 5. Nikon D500. This category-defying camera offers incomparable speed, performance and photographic ability. It is the perfect tool for any photo enthusiast, professional or amateur. Nikon's new D500 is the only Nikon camera to offer 4K UHD video recording, touchscreen LCD, and a 20.9 MP DX format CMOS sensor. The D500 is the perfect choice for all your shooting needs, from capturing precious moments to covering fast-moving action to creating breathtaking landscapes and portraits. The D500 has a 20.9 MP DX format CMOS sensor with no low-pass filter, which is designed with the most demanding high-resolution photographers in mind. This allows you to capture exquisite photos and video while reducing noir and false color effects that can occur with sensors without a low-pass filter. The sensor also offers improved light sensitivity over traditional 35mm film-based sensors. The Nikon D500 digital SLR camera body is ready to go wherever your passion leads you, capturing everything with stunning clarity, speed and resolution. From busy, low-light cityscapes to thrilling wildlife scenes and fast action shots, the D500 is the ideal companion to your wanderlust. Marvel at the clarity of its cinematic 4K UHD video. Be amazed at its ruggedness and versatility. And, once you've captured your gorgeous photos, admire them on the D500's higher resolution tilt touchscreen display and share them via the built-in SnapBridge Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth capabilities. Number 4. Nikon Z5. The Nikon Z5 is the most advanced camera yet, with a new body design and a state-of-the-art image sensor. Capture high-resolution full-frame images and 4K UHD videos in any situation. The 273-point autofocus system provides fast, accurate focus on subjects that move or are subjects of erratic motion. The Nikon Z5 is the perfect camera for when you want to capture a lifetime of memories, from weddings to vacations, from birthdays to baby's first steps. It's rated one of the best DSLRs out there, and it does not disappoint. You know photography. You know Nikon. This is the perfect union of both 24MP full-frame images, 4K UHD videos. The Nikon Z5 is small, light and affordable with a full-frame sensor that captures an impressive 24 million pixels. Your full-frame journey begins with the Z5. Simple yet sophisticated, compact yet powerful, the Z5 is built to grow with you. It's everything you'd expect from a full-frame mirrorless camera: intense detail, expansive views, brilliant low-light capabilities, 4K UHD video, and more, plus all the innovative tools you need to push the limits of your creativity. Number 3. Nikon Coolpix P1000. Introducing the Nikon Coolpix P1000 16.7 digital camera. The ultimate of our Coolpix cameras, this one is ready to take your pictures to the next level. Not only does it have a large and bright 3.2 tilt sensor LCD, but also 4K ultra high definition video with HDMI out capabilities. Capture fast-moving action with 60 fps video, a 30x zoom and a startup time of just 90 seconds. This camera is so advanced and awesome I don't know what is coming next. I admit I know nothing about cameras, but this one is amazing. The Nikon Coolpix P1000 16.7 digital camera with Wi-Fi and GPS offers the most advanced camera functions to help you take your pictures to the next level. With its large 3.2 tilt sensor LCD, it makes everything easy to see and will let you get creative with your shots. It also includes GPS functionality and Wi-Fi connectivity, so you can share and edit your photos instantly. Go ahead, share. Imagine being able to view the International Space Station in flight, even the rings of Saturn, not with a telescope, but with a one-of-a-kind Nikon camera. Introducing the Coolpix P1000, the most extreme zoom Nikon ever, and a game-changer for birders, sports and wildlife enthusiasts, travel photographers and even those aspiring to venture to the moon and beyond without leaving their backyard. Number 2. Nikon Z6. Nikon Z6 FX format mirrorless camera is no doubt the most innovative camera. It is the first camera to feature a backside illuminated image sensor. The sensor has 273 phase detect AF points and can shoot at up to 12 frames per second, record 4K Ultra HD video, and shoot 8K time-lapse videos. Nikon's Z6 mirrorless camera is the world's first full-frame mirrorless camera capable of shooting up to 12 frames per second while capturing amazing detail up to 24.5 megapixels. It features a 24.5 megapixel backside illuminated image sensor and 273-point on-sensor phase detect AF system for capturing sharp, detailed images under any light. Experience pro-level photography without the weight and bulk of DSLRs. Our new Nikon Z6 gives you a full-frame sensor and a more compact body. It's perfect for street photographers, event photographers, photojournalists, and anyone who appreciates portability. The all-around camera for those seeking an ideal balance between resolution, speed and low-light performance. 12 fps 12-bit RAW or JPEG shooting. 4K Ultra HD video with full pixel readout. Brilliant low-light performance up to ISO 51/200 native. All combined with the advantages of a lightweight mirrorless design, a revolutionary new full-frame lens mount, and matched lenses and seamless integration with Nikon DSLR system including the F-mount Nikkor lenses you love. The Z6 is a camera that works as hard as you do. The Z6 is perhaps the most adaptable camera we've ever created. It's at the sweet spot of speed, resolution and low-light performance. Number 1. Nikon D850FX. The Nikon D850 is a professional-grade, DX format, high-resolution DSLR camera that offers class-leading still and video recording capabilities. The combination of its 45.7 megapixel sensor and an ISO 151200 sensitivity range allows for pristine image quality and versatility in low-light conditions. Uncompromising detail is provided by the full pixel readout from the backside illuminated sensor with no AA filter. Extreme resolution meets extreme speed. When Nikon introduced the D800 and D800E, it set a new benchmark for DSLR image quality and super high-resolution photography that approached medium format. Now, 5 years later, Nikon proudly introduces the next evolution in high-resolution DSLRs, a camera that allows photographers to capture fast action in 45.7 megapixels of brilliant resolution. With remarkable advancements across the board: sensor design, autofocus, dynamic range, sensitivity, speed light control, battery life, shutter and mirror drive mechanisms, silent photography and live view mode, focus shift capability and more. This is quite possibly the most impressive, well-rounded DSLR yet. GPS, GP1 GPS unit, GP1A GPS unit. Operating environment temperature 32 to 104 degree Fahrenheit, 0 to 40 degrees Celsius, humidity less than 85%, no condensation.